Yeah, hello. We have a MacBook today. Yeah, it's MacBook. It's MacBook Pro A1502, and this MacBook has got a liquid damage. That's what I got from the client, and so we are going to see how we can help this MacBook. We are not going to turn it on because, as you can see, this is a liquid. Something to do with soda. I don't know whether you can see that. This one are drops of soda. You can see some more drops here. I don't want to put the charger because I might end up damaging more components into the laptop. Yeah, energy drink. So let's try to see where the spillage has taken place. And this is the board. I don't know whether disconnect the battery first, especially on matters pertaining to MacBook. Always disconnect the battery before anything else. So the battery is out, and I don't see any sign of liquid damage, but you know what, yeah, I see some sign of liquid damage here. There's some liquid damage, and so I'll have to go to the other part of the part of the motherboard. I don't know whether you're going to see that here. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, this is a liquid damage. Yeah, I don't know what kind of liquid damage is this. Looks like a sugary drink as usual because of the traces that has been left here. So is it let me see. Maybe it's not a liquid damage. So I'll have to go to the other side of the keyboard, because I always say immediately you get a water spillage from your machine or a liquid damage from your machine, try to bring the machine to me. And I think I'm also not liking what I'm seeing here from the screen connector. It's here. You can see here. You see something is not very nice here. Is this a liquid damage or what is it? Yeah, definitely there's a liquid damage on this part, as you can see. It's not very nice. Not something to laugh about. Let me maybe try to clean a little bit. But you know what, anyway, we'll still have to go to the other side of the motherboard because I know that's where the much liquid damage is taking place. So I think that one is okay. So what else? There's another one here. Yeah, and I think our spillage is somewhere here. You can see there's a spillage here, this part here. This is a spillage, and also it has affected this. This one will check under the microscope. So the motherboard is out, but let me also try to wipe this one. This one here. I don't know what kind of drink this was. not quite sure. The machine is a bit dusty, so maybe let me show you what I'm saying. See, like here, this connector here does not look very nice. I think you can see that. This is as a result of the liquid damage. I don't know whether there's any, so I've come with some isopropyl. Just a minute. So yeah, some slab of isopropyl alcohol. So physical inspection. So looks like some more liquid damage somewhere here. Okay. So let's check somewhere else, and I can't see anything. Not good. Not very nice. Not very nice. Not very nice too here. Try to clean. Okay. So what else under the physical inspection? And does it look like I'm having some? Okay. So the other side. Let me see. Let me see. Come on. Looks like it's clean to me. And so, yeah, I've tried to clean this part here. Yeah, I've taken out the SSD. As you can see, it was also affected by the, I don't know whether my camera will focus. You see? Yeah, there's also a drink on this SSD. And so I've tried to also put the charger into the machine, and I'm not getting a display, but the fan is spinning. So let me show you. Yeah, orange light, start with a green light, orange light, and the fan is spinning, eh? But I'm not having a display. And you know why I think I don't have a display? The RAMs. There's some liquid that spilled into the RAM. So what you're going to do, we are going to try to put some alcohol, the isopropyl alcohol, inside the RAMs, so that we can see whether we are going to have a display on the machine. Eh? And so maybe to do that, so I'll come with some, come under the microscope. I don't know whether you can see the RAMs. These are the RAMs. Also looks like the liquid had spilled inside the RAMs. And remember, these are soldered RAMs. So I'll put some hot air on. And I'll try to pour some liquid and try to push it with the hot air. So if the chip is boiled, is a bit hot, and you are pouring some alcohol, it's going to go under the chip and maybe clean the liquid, the sugary liquid under the chip. And we see whether we are going to have a display. Eh? So yeah, the gun is a bit hot now. Let me try with the first memory here, this one. Put some hot air here. Let all the memory chips become hot, a little bit hot. And now try to pour some alcohol so that it can go under the chip. Like you can see what I'm doing here. The alcohol is going under the chip and drying very quickly to try and clean the under the chip. Eh? I come on to the second memory chip. Try to do the same here. Yeah, pour as you try to. Okay, pour some as you try to. Yeah, clean that part also. Yeah, you can see it's going under the chip and trying to clean there. And we are going to do that for all, so that there's no liquid under the chip. I hope you can see that there's also here. So let's come with some. And you can see it's getting very clean. Eh? You can see the sugary dropouts, the sugary drops are being left out. And the RAM slots are becoming very clean. Eh? Anywhere else you see. So when you're having these RAM chips and you're like now you cannot clean under the RAM chips because these chips are soldered, and this is a process called reballing. And sometimes to desolder the chip and solder it back, sometimes it's risky because you may end up damaging some balls, and now you have a dead motherboard. And also having a stencil to reball the chips again is not quite easy. You are just making your work a little bit difficult. So just come with some alcohol and some hot air. Try to blow the hot air under the chips, and that process will be okay to clean the. Yeah, I can see alcohol going under the chip and also pushing it from one end of the RAM chip coming through the other one. And now I do believe the RAMs are now clean. Eh? Now we are going to try to solder it back and see whether you're going to have a display. Now there's a bit of a small problem here that occurred when I was disassembling the motherboard. There's a clip that came out from the flex cable, the one that is supposed to lock a flex cable. And so we are going to return it here together. Let us go under the microscope again. Yeah, so I need sharper tweezer because I need to be very precise about these flecks. So I don't know whether this is the way the flex should look like. Okay, I believe it's the other side. This one. Yeah, good. Yeah, link is okay. Yeah, it's supposed to swing like that, eh? So that it goes like that. Okay. Yep. Okay, so so this one. And this one is okay too. So now, so do I come and also try to fix this flex cable here? Yeah, sometimes I'm recording videos in my shop. There are other customers who come to the neighboring shops, and sometimes you'll hear some people talking behind the scenes. Yeah, so let me see whether I've been able to help the machine. I'm also the owner. It's fan spinning. Yeah, fan spin. Other behind. Yeah, I can see the logo Apple is on. Yeah, it's on. So is it looking for the... Yeah, so I can see it's looking for this SSD. That's why there was delayed. That's why there was delayed delayed display, and now as you can see the display is back. Yeah, somebody was trying to ask me where my neighbor was in my language. Yeah, and so guys, just get used to that. Yeah, sometimes I'll have people come talk to me. They are not even aware I'm online. It's okay. It's no problem. Yeah, the machine is okay now. The display is okay, and everything is working fine now. So you just need to plug in all the connectors, and the damage was a bit high. I had to replace the SSD. You see, this is a new one. You can see. Yeah, so let's wait for this one to reload, and that's it. The machine is okay. So subscribe, share, like, and let's meet in the next video. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Thank you.